In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in maths and English is 30. She appeared for 2 tests, maths and English. We are not given individual score of maths and English, but we are given the combined score, which is 30. Had she got means agar, suppose, if, conditional clause beta. Had she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks, product means multiply. The product of the marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. As we have to find marks in 2 subjects, so let us assume the mark in 2 subjects as X and Y. So let she scored X marks in maths and Y marks in English. And as we are given that sum of both the marks is 30. So we will get the first equation very easily, which is X plus Y is equal to 30. From here, Y is 30 minus X. You can write X equal to 30 minus Y as well. It's totally up to you. Right? Now the second condition is, had she got 2 marks more in maths. Now in maths, we have taken the marks to be X. And more means plus. So 2 more in maths means X plus 2. And 3 less in English means Y minus 3. And the product. अगर ऐसा हुआ होता कि उसके 2 मैथ्स में ज़्यादा और इंग्लिश में 3 कम आते तो दोनों का प्रोडक्ट 210 होता. That is what the condition is given, right? So now I'm just explaining again. 2 more in maths, 3 less in English, and then the product. Product here means you multiply them. ठीक है बेटा? Now replace Y with 30 minus X because we want equation in one variable only. Simplifying it. Further, multiply X with this bracket and 2 with this bracket. We get this. Bring 210 this side. So it will be minus 210. Rearranging all the like terms. We get this. Beta, we would like to make our X square positive. So we shall multiply the entire equation by minus 1. You may multiply or divide by minus 1. It will be one and the same thing. So now you get X square minus 25X plus 156. Alright. Now we need to factorize 156 to get 25. तो आपने 156 के factors बनाने. It's an even number. So 2 and 78. 78 is again even. 2 and 39. 39 is 3 into 13. Now you can see with practice that 3 into 2 into 2 gives you 12 and 13 is already there, and 12 plus 13 gives you 25. As it is a case of negative number, beta, please be careful, put it in bracket because both the terms are going to be negative. Now from these two we shall take X common. From these two we shall take minus 13 common. So that is how we are going to solve it. Now you can see both the marks are correct because both are positive. So what will happen? We had Y as 30 minus X. So now Y is equal to 30 minus X from 1. If X equal to 12, Y will be 30 minus 12, which is 18. And if X equal to 13, Y is equal to 17. So you have 2 possibilities of marks. The 2 possibilities of marks are either she scored 12 in maths or 18 in English. Yeah, she scored 13 in maths and 17 in English. You can always cross-check your double answer in your mind. See, condition was 2 more in maths, 3 less in English. Now 2 more in maths would make it 14. Right? And 3 less in English means 15. And 14 into 15 is 210. This is for condition 1. For condition 2 also, 2 more in maths will give you 15. 3 less in English, 17 minus 3, 14. That is also giving you 210. So the answer is satisfying the given condition. So we shall have 2 pairs of solution. Alright? Thank you.